ever wondered how money can move across the world in minutes or even seconds without any banks involved? Or maybe how millions of dollars in cryptocurrency can be sent for less than the cost of your morning coffee? Today, we're diving into how crypto transactions actually work, and I promise to keep it super simple. Welcome back to Blockchain and Chill. Last time we learned about blockchain technology. Now, let's see how it powers cryptocurrency transactions in the real world. When you send cryptocurrency to someone, you're not actually sending digital coins back and forth. Instead, what you're doing is you're recording a transaction on the blockchain. Remember that digital ledger we talked about briefly? Think of it like updating your balance sheet, but this one is public and it can't be changed. Each transaction has three key parts: a sender, that's your wallet address; a receiver, their wallet address; and the amount being sent. But here's where it gets really interesting. Your transaction also needs something called a digital signature to prove it's really you sending the funds. So picture this. It's kind of like unlocking your phone with a fingerprint. Your private key is your one-of-a-kind digital fingerprint. Only you've got it. You sign the transaction and your public key lets the world check it's you without cloning your thumb. This means your crypto always stays safe from sketchy imposters. So here is what happens when you hit send to initiate a transaction. First, your wallet creates the transaction and signs it with your private key. Second, the transaction is then broadcast to the network. Third, computers all around the world, which are called nodes, verify that you have the funds and your signature is valid. Fourth, once verified, your transaction then gets added to a block along with other transactions. Last but not least, the block is then added to the blockchain, and at this point, the transaction is considered complete. Now, this system has some amazing advantages. There's no bank deciding when you can send money or even how much. Transactions also work 24/7, even on holidays. And while traditional bank transfers can take days and sometimes cost a lot, especially internationally, crypto transactions typically complete in mere seconds and often just cost cents. In our next video, we're going to explore Bitcoin, the world's first and most famous cryptocurrency. Go ahead, hit subscribe to learn more, and drop a comment below with any questions you may have about crypto transactions. Also, remember, never ever share your private keys with anyone. They're called private for a reason.